What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. If you were searching for the top 5 best travel bottles for toiletries, you have come to the exact right place. We have found the perfect leak-proof travel companions to make packing for your next vacation or business trip an absolute breeze. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Silevoler travel bottles for toiletries. Silevoler travel bottles for toiletries offer a practical and travel-friendly solution for carrying your essential liquids with ease and confidence. This set includes 4 TSA-approved containers, each with a 3-ounce capacity, making them perfectly compliant for air travel, while also being convenient for everyday use, gym sessions, business trips, and vacations. Crafted from premium BPA-free silicone, these bottles are designed with safety and durability in mind. The soft, squeezable material allows for effortless dispensing of shampoos, conditioners, lotions, body washes, and other liquid toiletries without waste or mess. Their flexible structure also makes refilling and cleaning simple, ensuring long-term usability. One of the standout features of the Silevoler travel bottles is their leak-proof design. Each bottle is engineered to prevent spills and unwanted leakage even when packed tightly in luggage or carried during transit. This helps protect clothing, electronics, and other essentials from accidental damage caused by liquid leaks. The set is thoughtfully designed for organized travel. Along with the 4 refillable bottles, it includes a convenient toiletry bag that keeps everything neatly stored in one place. This compact storage solution helps save space in your luggage while ensuring quick access to your toiletries whenever needed. Whether you're heading on a short weekend getaway or a long international journey, these travel bottles make packing more efficient and stress-free. Their TSA-approved size ensures smooth airport security checks, while their lightweight and portable design adds minimal bulk to your travel gear. Silevoler travel bottles combine functionality, safety, and convenience in one compact set, making them an essential accessory for modern travelers who value organization and ease on the go. Next, at number 4, is the Quatish travel bottles for toiletries. Quatish travel bottles for toiletries are designed to make packing and traveling more organized, convenient, and stress-free. Built with a strong focus on practicality, these refillable bottles help travelers carry essential liquids such as shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and other personal care products without the usual mess or bulk of full-sized containers. One of the standout features of this set is its 100% leak-proof design. Each bottle uses a 3-layer lid construction with firm sealing technology that keeps liquids securely contained inside. This helps protect clothes, electronics, and other items in your luggage from unwanted spills. Even under pressure or movement during travel, the bottles are designed to stay tightly sealed. To further enhance convenience, the cap includes a specially designed dispensing system with a small cross-shaped opening. This allows users to control the flow of liquid easily, reducing waste and preventing overpouring. It ensures that just the right amount of product is dispensed each time, making daily use cleaner and more efficient while on the go. The set includes 6 bottles, each with a TSA-approved 3-ounce capacity. This makes them ideal for air travel, allowing passengers to pass through security checks smoothly without concerns about liquid restrictions. The compact size also helps maximize space in your luggage, making them suitable for both short trips and longer journeys where smart packing is essential. The included bag measures 8.62 by 5.35 by 1.42 inches, keeping everything neatly organized in one place. Designed for long-term use, these bottles are fully refillable and easy to maintain. The wide openings make refilling simple and mess-free, while also allowing easy access for thorough cleaning. A brush can easily fit inside the tube, ensuring proper hygiene and repeated use over time. Overall, Quatish travel bottles offer a practical solution for travelers who want reliable, clean, and efficient toiletry storage in a compact and travel-friendly design. Coming in at number 3, we have the Redfly travel bottles for toiletries. Redfly travel bottles for toiletries are designed to make packing and carrying personal care products simple, clean, and stress-free during travel. Built with a smart 3-layer leak-proof structure, these refillable containers help prevent liquid leakage, keeping your luggage protected from unwanted spills and mess. Whether you're carrying shampoo, shower gel, lotion, or other cosmetic liquids, these bottles ensure everything stays securely sealed throughout your journey. Made from high-grade silicone, the bottles are soft, flexible, and easy to squeeze, allowing smooth and controlled dispensing of liquids without waste. Their durable silicone texture is also wear-resistant, making them suitable for frequent travelers who need reliable toiletry storage over time. One of the key design features is the removable fixed bottleneck combined with a screw cap system. This structure not only enhances sealing performance, but also makes the bottles easy to disassemble, clean, and reassemble whenever needed. Hygiene and maintenance are therefore simple, even after repeated use with different types of liquids. Each bottle comes with labels, helping users organize their toiletries efficiently. You can easily separate and identify contents such as shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, lotion, or face wash, ensuring convenience while traveling or during daily gym use. The compact design makes them lightweight and space-saving, yet they still offer a surprisingly large capacity for their size. Fully sealed and refillable, these cosmetic containers are built to prevent leaks and reduce unnecessary product waste. Their practical design makes them a reliable companion for business trips, vacations, and everyday carry, offering both convenience and cleanliness in one compact solution. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries. Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries are designed to make packing and traveling easier, cleaner, and more efficient. Built with a focus on practicality and durability, these bottles retain the features users already appreciate while introducing improved convenience for everyday and travel use. Crafted from soft yet rugged silicone, the bottles are easy to squeeze, allowing you to dispense just the right amount of product without waste. This flexible material also ensures that you can get every last drop out of the bottle, making them ideal for shampoos, conditioners, lotions, body wash, and other liquid toiletries. The design is especially helpful for frequent travelers who want to maximize every bit of their essentials while minimizing bulk in their luggage. The larger sizes are perfectly suited for air travel, giving you enough capacity for longer trips while still maintaining a compact, travel-friendly form. Whether you are going on a business trip, vacation, or weekend getaway, these bottles help you stay organized without taking up unnecessary space in your bag. One of the standout features of the Mrsdry travel bottles is their advanced leak-proof system. Featuring a 3-layer leak-proof design, they are engineered to prevent any unwanted liquid leakage or spillage. This provides strong protection for your clothing, electronics, and other belongings inside your luggage, giving you peace of mind while on the move. Even when packed tightly or exposed to pressure changes during flights, the bottles are designed to keep their contents securely contained. Overall, Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries combine soft silicone flexibility, efficient liquid dispensing, travel-appropriate sizing, and a reliable leak-proof structure to create a dependable solution for organizing personal care products on the go. And finally, our top pick for the Tocelffe travel bottles for toiletries. The Tocelffe travel bottles for toiletries set is a comprehensive solution designed to make packing and carrying personal care items easier, cleaner, and more organized. It includes an 18-piece collection of travel essentials that help you store and manage your cosmetics and hygiene products efficiently while on the go. This set comes with a convenient toiletry bag along with multiple containers tailored for different uses. It includes silicone bottles, spray bottles, cream jars, funnels, labels, a cleaning brush, and spatulas. These accessories ensure that you can transfer and use a wide variety of products without hassle, whether they are liquid, cream, or spray-based. Built for secure travel, the bottles feature a TSA-approved leak-proof design. The silicone bottles are constructed with a 3-layer leak-resistant structure and a durable flip-top lid, helping prevent spills, drips, or leaks during transport. This makes them especially useful for protecting luggage from damage caused by shampoos, lotions, or other liquid cosmetics. Safety and quality are also key aspects of this set. The containers are made from premium BPA-free PET and high-quality silicone material. They are non-toxic, odorless, refillable, and reusable, offering a safe and environmentally friendly way to carry your essentials. Their TSA-approved design ensures they meet travel standards for airport security. The versatility of this travel set makes it suitable for a wide range of uses. It can hold lotions, shampoos, creams, cosmetics, and other skincare products with ease. Whether you are traveling by air, going camping, or engaging in outdoor activities, this set provides a practical and organized way to carry your daily essentials. Overall, the Tocelffe travel bottle set is designed to simplify packing, reduce mess, and keep your toiletries neatly stored wherever your journey takes you. Ready to pack your bags with zero stress and zero spills? Check the price link in the description to secure your favorite travel set today. Be sure to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome gear reviews and travel tips.